everyone, welcome to Sahयोग College to our Christmas special recipe week. Today we will learn classic plum cake. Now plum cake has historically referred to as an early type and style of fruit cake since around 17th century. So you think we can make this delicacy? Let's try it.
The ingredients required for the recipe are flour 1.5 cup, brown sugar half cup, brown sugar caramel 1/4 cup, milk half cup, lemon zest 1 teaspoon, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, honey 3 tablespoons, allspice 1 teaspoon, baking soda 1.5 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, butter half cup, and most importantly your rum soaked fruits 2 cups.
Let's start with the procedure now. Take butter into a bowl. Now add brown sugar into it. And mix and whisk them until they are creamy and fluffy. Now if you can see, the butter and sugar has creamed. Now let's add rest of the ingredients. Brown sugar caramel, honey, vanilla essence, lemon zest. Give it a good stir and combine. Now on the other hand, we are going to mix together all the dry ingredients, your flour, salt, baking soda and allspice. Now all our wet ingredients have gone in. Now we will add flour alternately with your milk. Add little milk. Combine until all the ingredients are mixed well. Add remaining flour. Mix again. Add remaining milk.
and then add our soaked trifles. Now all the ingredients have come together. Now we'll pour this batter in bakeable tin. Now let's keep them for baking at 180 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. I'm sure you like this plum cake recipe. It's very easy. Please do try at home. Post your cake pictures and do tag us on Instagram. Thank you very much. From Sayur College of Management Studies and Department of Hotel Management, we wish you all a
Merry Christmas.